What's up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. And if this is your first time here guys, I suggest, and I mean I highly suggest, you go ahead and click on that subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you're not going to want to miss out on anything we do here. Alright, so today I do want to go over a product I got for my car, my Honda S2000. If you guys see my videos in the past, you guys know I have installed a JOYING 8.8 inch screen head unit in my car. Okay, and the only thing that I do not like about it is everything's touchscreen, which is awesome. I'm not complaining about that. But the thing is, when it comes to turning up your volume, up and down, going forward, everything has to be on the screen. And the one thing I do not like having touchscreen is the volume button. I like to have an actual switch for it and everything. Right now, it is connected to my original volume button on my S2000 by wire. I found a tutorial on YouTube that actually teaches you how to do it. But the thing is, that panel where the switch is right now, I'm gonna be replacing it with a gauge cluster in there. So the only thing that's gonna be there is gonna see a gauge in there and a start button. I got a 3D model bezel for it, and I'm gonna install that eventually. But then if I do that, I'm gonna lose the volume control switch on there. So what did I get? I went online and I found this smart steering wheel controller. It's basically, you install this on your remote, on your steering wheel, and you control the head unit with the buttons on here. So I'm gonna open it up and show you what's inside, but just to show you what the box is, it's all in Chinese or Japanese or whatever language this one is in. I'm not familiar with the symbols, so I want to say it looks more Korean, but I could be wrong. Again, I'll be completely wrong. But this is the box right here, guys. You see the steering wheel here, and it has a button here, and it has a knob right there. And I will demonstrate on my steering wheel, because I did bring up my steering wheel. I do have a removable sparkle steering wheel from my Honda S2000, so I have that. But you got this here, and it comes in a black box, very simple. The name of it, I don't know what it is. I'll leave a link down below where I got it. It came like this. I'm just gonna tell you, it came just like this. This device is only $20, which is pretty good for what it does. All right, so basically, when you open it up, basically it comes like this in the wrapping, and this is the controller here. But take it out. So this is the strap right here for the steering wheel, and here's the control panel. So when you want to turn up the volume up and down, you just turn this knob right here. Then you have your pause and play button, or to if you have your smart device connected, like you have your Android or you have your Apple device, you can say click on this, and it's voice control, so it'll know to activate it. It has, you know, pick up the phone, hang up. It has fast forward, rewind right there, next or back. So it controls the whole thing. Did more than my stock thing does on my S2000. So you have this in here. Basically, you take it and you put it around the steering wheel and you lock it in like this. Boom. One thing this does not come with is with a battery. So you do have to buy a battery. It's the little cell batteries, the circle ones. You take the side off right here and you plug in. It doesn't tell you what size it needs to take to use. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look. Think it's gonna be a 2032 or even possibly a 2016. I could be completely wrong, but I'm gonna take this to the store and actually look at the battery and see which one lines up better with this one. So this is in the box, very simple to use. Also, this comes in a box. This is actually the module that's gonna recognize this and not connect to something else or anybody else's car or any other device in your car. It's just gonna connect to this right here. This is very simple to connect. As you see, it's a little box with 3 wires. You have your red, your black, and your white. Red, of course, is for your constant power. You can connect that red to your red line on your radio. The black is your ground. Again, you can connect it to the black wire on your harness. And the third one is the white one. This is the key wire. So on the JOYING radio head unit, it does have two key wires, a key 1 and a key 2. You can connect to either one of those, because I actually use key 1 to connect to my S2000 key, the switch, so I can control the volume. So all you gotta do is connect this to key 1 or key 2, and then you're all set. Everything's labeled on your harness, so you just gotta know where it is, and then tape it up, solder it on, and you'll be all set. All right, so how is this gonna look on your steering wheel? So I did bring my steering wheel. I did tell you I did have a sparkle steering wheel. I have a quick release, so it comes off whenever I want to. And I'm gonna put this on the right side of this because I always hold my steering wheel on this side over here. I barely touch this side, so I touch more on this side and on top. So on this side, I control my steering, because since it's stick shift, my left hand's always on here, so I'm always sticking my hand around this area, or even down here or down here. So my right hand's on the shifter. So basically you put this here, and then you strap this around, and you connect this right there. Very, very simple. And that's how it is, guys. Simple as that. So once you have it here, you can just sit here and call, hang up, okay, or pause and play, and then rewind, fast forward, whatever you want to do right there, guys. Simple as that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go and hook it to my car. Once I hook it up, guys, I'll show you how everything works, because I gotta get the battery for this, and I'll show you how to program it on there. It's very simple. We'll go there and take care of it. But I'm not gonna show you how to install this, the little smart box. I'm just gonna install it because I know how to do it real quick, and I don't want to bore you with that. So I'll be back when everything's done. All right, guys, so I did take out the radios here. This is the JOYING radio head unit. This is the monitor that goes in the front. Just took it out to the side. All right, so I did take out the switch box right here for the remote. I put it here, as you see, it's the same one that we showed you. The three colors, red, black, and white. Red and black are connected to the positive and negative, as you see, and the white is connected to this one right here. And if you can see clearly, it says key 1. So that's what you're connected to. So key 1 to the white, and I'm all set. So I'm gonna put everything back together and show you how everything looks, and then to show you how to program it. It's very simple. Just give me a second, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so you see my columns right here, the control panels here, and then my radios here. I got it all hooked up, put it away. So first thing you want to do is go to your control button, which will be a steering wheel one. You see this one right here? The steering wheel is called control. You want to click on that. Once you click on that, you'll get to the function. I already set it up, making sure everything works. But the way you set it up, guys, is you go on your knob here, whichever you want to do. You want to do phone, hang up, forward, back, or volume control. What you want to do is go ahead and turn this, or push one of the buttons, and as you turn it, you see how the bottom shows that it's changing. See how it turns yellow? Let it see if it focus. So right now it says please hold the button and steering wheel, and then pick the radio you want. So this is gonna be a little tricky for me because I have to do it like this. All right, so I got it clamped down to my leg here. So if I turn the volume up, all I have to do is click on up. You see how I'm turning the volume? I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm turning the volume. You see that says please select the learning button. So you want to go with the volume up. So I'm gonna turn the volume up, hit the volume up there, and then program it. And if I want to do the other way around, for lowering the volume, I turn the other way and memorize the button there. And very simple, guys. Look how easy that is right there. It saved it. So now I did all the other functions as well, so I don't have to sit here and do all of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring you here and show you how everything looks. So if I turn the volume up, you see the volume's going up. If I go down, you can see the volume's going down. Up again and down. And then I don't want to play any music because you know how YouTube is, but all these functions all work. So if I get a phone, I'll pick it up there. As you see, it brought up the telephone pad right there, so I can bring up the phone. And if I want to get rid of it and hang up, I hit the hang up button. I won't get rid of it. I would have to actually get out of it manually. But that's good. I didn't know that you could do that. You hit the phone button here. See how I bring it up? And then it doesn't bring it down. So I just hit the button there. If I want to hit back or forward, I can do that. And that's it, guys. So let me go ahead and get my final thoughts on this. Alright guys, so we finished that whole setup. You saw how it is, how you hook it up. I didn't actually show you when I wire everything up because it made no sense, so I just wanted to hook it up real quick and then show you which wire you connected to. You saw red went to power, black went to ground, and the white went into the key 1 or key 2 function. I put on key 1 as you saw. I showed you how to hook it up on your radio, where to go, how to set it up. Fairly simple, not hard to do, guys. Anybody could do it. I hope you enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you. Remember, I will leave a link down below on where you can get the device if this is what you want to get. Is it hard to do? No, but then again, I've been doing radio installations my whole life, basically. Since I was like 15, 16 years old, I've been putting radio systems, subwoofers in cars. Because it was a hobby of mine. I was always been into cars, so this was all simple to me. But anybody can really do it. If you have common sense, you should be able to do it just fine. So it's very simple. If you like this video, please share it and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you still haven't done so to the end of this video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notification every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you're not going to want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.